Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss paper number 237. Study the following information carefully, then answer the questions. Here there are 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They are going to watch a movie in different months, that is January, April, May, June, July, August, October and December. F was going to watch the movie in the month which is having 30 days. There are 3 persons between F and C. H watches just before A, who is watching before B. Then B watches just before C. H is watching the movie in the month which has maximum number of days but not in January. D is watching the movie in the month which is having 30 days. G is watching the movie after D. Now this is the total puzzle. Now all of you draw one 3-column table. The first one is the month. Next one is the person. Again the person. We will do this in 3 columns. Month, person, person. Below the months you write down the months, that is January, April, May, June, July. Here the space is not enough. See, you will be here. Month, person, person. So this is the month, this is the person, this is the person. Below the months you write down the months, that is January, then April, then May, June, July, August, October, December. These are the months: January, April, May, then June, July, August, October, December. These are the months we are having. Now start the puzzle. See, January is having 31 days. January is having 31 days. April 30, then again May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, October is 31, December is also 31. Now F was going to watch the movie in the month which is having 30 days. 30 days means it can be only June or it can be April. Then there are 3 persons between F and C. Between F and C there are 3 persons. Here there are 3 persons. H watches the movie just before A, who is watching before B. H watches the movie just before A, who is watching before B. That means we have to get H, A, B. H is watching the month which is having maximum number of days. So H is having, which is maximum number, H is not January. So it will be H, it will be A, it will be B. Now in the second case, it will be H here, it will be A here, it will be B. D is watching the movie which is having 30 days. D is 30 days. But we can't take D here, so second one is wrong. Then G is watching after D. This is G. This is E. See, January E, April D, May G, June F, July H, August A, October B, December C. Now come to the questions. Before that again, January, April, May, June, July, August, October, then December. So January, April, May, June, July, August, October, December. So this is E, D, G, F, H, A, B, C. Now E is related to F, 2 gap. E is related to F, 2 gap. H is related to C, 2 gap. D is related to H. D is related to H. Then which is true as per the given arrangement? A is watching the movie in the month of August. That is correct. Number of persons between D and F, 1 person is dash between B and H. Then 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and in small group. H is having 31 days. D is having 30 days. C is having 31 days. Then B is having B is born in the month having 31 days. G 31 days. So D is the correct answer. Who is watch? How many persons are there between B and D? Between B and D, how many persons are there? 4 persons are there. 3 is the correct answer. Then see the next one. A number of persons, certain number of persons are there in a row facing north. 4 persons are there between P and Q. F is sitting second to the right of Q. Only one person is there between F and S. S is at 8th position from extreme end. Then D is sitting third to the right of S. H is fifth to the left of Q. 8 persons are there to the left of Q. Now this is the arrangement. Now we don't know how many persons are there. Draw one straight line. First thing, 8 persons are there to the left of Q. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that you write Q. So here you can write Q. 4 persons are there between P and Q. 4 persons are there between P and Q. H is sitting fifth to the left of Q. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will be H. H is sitting fifth to the left of Q. H is sitting fifth to the left of Q. Then SC is at extreme 8th position from one of the end. SC is at 8th position from one of the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S. There is only one person between. F is sitting second to the right of Q. First, F is sitting second to the right of Q. There is only one person between F and S. S is 8th position from one end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See 3, 6, 7, 8th position. This is correct. D is sitting third to the right of S. So D will come here. D will come here. D is sitting third to the right of S. D is sitting third to the right of S. D is sitting third to the right of S. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that 9th is, then 10th, then 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. Then D is sitting third to the right of S. S right third D. This is D. S right third D. Then is there any point missed? Okay. Now this is the correct arrangement. 4 persons are there between P and Q. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we will get P. Here we will get P. So this is the correct arrangement. Now based on this we should answer the question. Now see the questions. What is the maximum number of people sitting in the row? So count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 persons are there. Then how many persons are there between P and S? None. What is the position of D with respect to F? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth to the right. Fifth to the right is the correct answer. Then how many persons are there to the left of H? 3 persons. If A is sitting exactly in between P and D, then what is the position of A with respect to second to the right? Second to the right is the correct answer. Then see the next one, 10th question. If in the word chlorine, so in the word chlorine, CHLORINE, how many such pairs of letters as there in the between them in the word as in the English alphabet? So if you see here, IJKL. IL is the only one pair we will get in this. No other pairs we will get. See the 12th question. This is the syllogisms. We have to identify which one follows. Only few home is pick. Only few home is pick. Picnic. Picnic. No picnic is mystery. No picnic is mystery. All mystery is real. All mystery is real. Some mystery is not picnic. Definitely follows. All home being picnic is a possibility. Does not follow because only few home is picnic. Only one follows. Next question. Only few strong is tough. Only few strong is tough. Only few tough is dark. Only few strong is tough. Only few tough is dark. Some strong is not dark. Does not follow. No tough is strong. No tough is strong does not follow. Neither one, not two. No network is dull. No network is dull. Only few dull is fast. Only few dull is fast. All fast is memory. All fast is memory. Some memory are definitely not network. Some memory are definitely not network. Definitely follows. Some dull are not network. So here no dull is network means some not also definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 follows for this. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next question, 15th one. All tennis is football. All tennis is football. All football is basketball. No basketball is cricket. Now, no football is cricket definitely follows. If no is there for the outer circle, for inner circle also no definitely follows. All tennis is basketball, that also follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. Now 16 to 20. See 16 to 20. There are 12 persons in 2 rows. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in row 1 facing north. Row 2 P, Q, R, S, T, U are seated. All of them are facing south. See, there are totally 2 rows. So draw 2 lines like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here in the first row A, B, C, D, E, all of them are north facing. Any information related to A, B, C, D will come. Any information related to P, Q, or S, T will come in the south facing. Now come to the question. E is sitting fourth to the right of B. E is sitting fourth to the right of B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here E will come. Then Q faces to E. This will be Q. The number of persons sitting to the left of Q. That means the number of persons sitting to the right of Q, because Q is south facing. Is same as to the right of S. To the right of S. To the right of S means S will come here. Then F is on the immediate left of D. F is on the immediate left of D. A is sitting to the left of C and right of F. A is sitting to the left of C and right of F. F is on the immediate left of D. F is on the immediate left of D. That means we will get F, D, A, C. This is the arrangement. P faces the one who is the immediate neighbor of A. So immediate neighbor of A means E, but already E is facing Q. Again D. So D should face P. Then Q is the only neighbor of U. So this is the Q is the only neighbor of U. R is to the right of T means R is to the left of T. So this is the arrangement we got. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The arrangement. Here we got R, S, P, T, Q, U. Here we got B, F, D, A, E, C. Now come to the questions. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? So P. Only P is in the middle. Remaining R, U, C, B. They are in the corners. So U is the odd, P is the odd one out. Who is facing F? So F is facing S. F is facing S. That is correct. Then what is the position of F with respect to B? With respect to B, the position of F is immediate right. Immediate to the right. Then next one. Which is true as per the given arrangement? S is to the right of P. Immediate right of P. Correct only. U faces A. That is wrong. F is at one extreme and that is wrong. So F is at one extreme. Only one is correct. Who is sitting third to the right of T? T right third R. 5 is the correct answer. Then 8 persons F, J, K, M, N, P, S, V are sitting around a square. 4 of them are corner, 4 of them are in the middle. The one who are the corner face away the center, middle face toward the center. All of them, all of the information is not necessarily in the same order. Now there are 8 persons. So the one who is sitting in the middle, the one who is sitting in the corner, they face away the center. Corner is facing away the center, middle is facing to the center. Now here also same thing, away the center and it is facing to the center. Now start the puzzle. F is in the middle of the table, so write down F here. N is to the immediate, two persons are there between F and J. There are two persons between F and J. V is on the immediate right of J. That means V is on the immediate left of J. So V is on the immediate left of J. Then see the next one. Three persons are there between S and N. That means S is opposite to N and M is the neighbor of S. M is the neighbor of S. Here S, here N. M is the immediate neighbor of S, but M is not the neighbor of J. So here we will get M. Now same thing, here we will get S, then here we will get N. M is the immediate neighbor of S. M is the immediate neighbor of S. M is not the neighbor of J. Then P faces inside. So here we will get P faces inside. Here P face inside. That means P should come in the middle. That is not possible. So this one is wrong. Here we are left out with K. So K. So this is the total arrangement. Now based on this we should answer the questions. See the first one. This is the diagram we got. See. K, F, N, then V, J, P, S, M. Now come to the questions. How many persons are there between F and J when you count to the left side of F? So when you count to the left side of F, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 persons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. So 4 is the correct answer. Then 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to group? See here, only F is in the middle. Only F is in the middle. Remaining S, J, then K, N. They are in the corners. They are in the corners. Which is true statement? P sits second to the left of V. That is not correct. N is the immediate neighbor of S. That is not correct. Two persons are there between P and V. That is not correct. M is opposite to N. That is not correct. J is opposite to K. Correct. Then who is sitting second to the left of M? That is P. Who is sitting opposite to P? That is F. Then see the next question, 26 to 28. This is related to blood relation. There are 7 members in the family. A is the mother of P. First of all, A is the mother of P. P is the brother of G. K is married to G. Then K is the child of S. K is the child of L. K is the child of L. S is the sister of K. S is the sister of K. Then K is married to S is the aunt of M. S is the aunt of M. This is the information we got. Now we don't know the sex of G, K, M and also L. Now A is the mother of P. P is the brother of G. G is married to K means we don't know who is wife, who is husband. Then S is the aunt of M means M is the child of G and K. Then K is the child of L. Then S is the sister of K. Now come to the questions. Now we will see the questions. This is what we got. This is what we got. Now, if L is married to J, for this question, L is married to J. How is J related to G? How is J related to G means we don't know the sex, so cannot be determined. Then if A is married to R, if A is married to R, how is R related to M? That is grandfather will come. Then how is S related to G? Sister-in-law will come. 2 is the correct answer. Next, 29 to 30. 29. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word with second, fifth, eighth, ninth letter, second, then third, fourth, fifth, then eighth, ninth, RSTI. We will get only one meaning, stir. The meaning of stir is mix. So if only one word is formed, Then second letter from left. What is the second letter from left? T. T is the correct answer. Next 30 to 35. If you remove, this is the letter number series. If you remove all the numbers, then which of the following is 10th from the left? See, count the 10th from the left, remove all the numbers. Then if you remove all the numbers, then 10th from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th one is E, 10th one F. Then how many alphabets are there? Which is 7th from the left and 9th from right. So 7th from left, that is L. 7th from left is L. 9th from the right, that is A. Between A and L we are having B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. 3, 6, 9, 10. There are 10 elements are there. Then which of the following is thought to the right of 11th from left? So that will be equal to 14th from left. So count the 14th element from left hand. So count the 14th element from left hand. See, this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 14th one is 6. 6 is the correct answer. How many numbers which is preceded by consonant followed by consonant? So we are having in how many cases? Before the number consonant, after the number consonant. D8H, this is the first thing. Then H9L, this is the second thing. This is the first one, this is the second one. 2 are there. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. In the number, see, in the number 4, 8, 5, 7, 9, 4, 3, 6, 2. 1 is added to the digit which is at even position. Even position means we should add 1. That means 9, this is 8, this is 5, this is 7. Now we should add 1 from the odd position. Subtract 1 from the odd position. This is 3, this is 4, this is 8, 2, 1. Then how many are repeated? See, we are having only 8 is repeated. Only 8 is repeated. Next, find the odd one out. B, after B, 2 gap E, after E, 2 gap H, after J, 2 gap M, after that 2 gap P, after T, 2 gap UV gap W, XY gap Z, then 2 gap F, GH gap I, KLM gap N should come. So KOP is the odd one out. Now we will see quantitative aptitude. What should come in the place of the question mark in the following questions? So here what should come in the place of the question mark, that we have to calculate. What is the addition of 124 and 163? 293. 293 plus x is equal to 18 root. If you want to cancel the root, you should square on both sides. So it is 324. X value 324 minus 293, that is 31. If you want to cancel the root, we should square. Then square and root will get cancel. 18 squared 324, 31. 31 is the correct answer. Next question. See the next question. 136 by 4 into x is equal to 17% of 500 means 85. 85 by 10, 8.5. See this one, 4 ones 434. X is equal to 8.5 by 34 or 850. 85 by 340. That is nothing but 85 by 340. 17 5s 70. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25. 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Next question. 115 by 5, that is 23, plus 72 is equal to x plus 16 minus 35. So this is 95. 95 plus 35 minus 16, that is equal to 114. 114. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. 41% of 600, that is 246 minus 240 is equal to 77 into 9. 9 7 63, 693. This is minus 4 plus 693, that is 600 and C. 246 minus 250, that is minus 4. So minus 4 plus 693. So 693 minus 4, that is 689. 5 is the correct answer. 5 is the correct. See the next one. 360 by x is equal to 73 plus 27. What is 73 plus 27? 100. X value is 3.6. 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. 41 question. See 41 question. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. You keep this 4 aside first. Now the LCM 30. That means it will be equal to 15 minus 18 plus 20 minus 25. 35 minus this one 43. 18 25 43. So it is minus 8 by 30 or minus 4 by 15. So first of all 4 minus 1 3. 1 minus 4 by 15 11 by 15. So the answer is 311 by 15. So this 4 minus 1. First you have to do 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now 1 minus 4 by 15, 11 by 15. 311 by 15 is the correct answer. Next question 42. 65 into 3 by 13. First 65 by 13 into 3, that is 15. 15 plus 67 minus x square is equal to 18. So this is 82 minus 18 is equal to x square. X square 64, x value 8. 8 is the correct answer. 8 means option 4. Option 4 is the correct answer. See the next question, 43 question. 2744 cube root. So what is the cube root of 2744? 14 plus 324 minus 121 is equal to x minus 69 into 5, that is 345. 324 plus 14 338. 338 minus 121, that is 267. 267 plus 345. So it will be equal to 338 plus minus 121. We have to do minus 8 minus 1 7. 338 minus 131 minus 121. 8 minus 1 7. 217 plus 345. So it will be equal to 562. Option 5. Option 5. See the next question. See the next question. 1111 divided by 11, that is 101. That is nothing but 101. 2002 by 26. 2002 by 26. 26 sevens 182. Again 7. So it is 77 plus 30. So 101 plus 77 plus 30. 77 plus 30 107. 107 plus 101 208. 208 is the correct answer. Next question 45. 5 by 11 of 121. 11 ones 11 11s 55 plus 1 4 by 9, that is 13 by 9 into 288. 9 3s 9 2s. 32 into 13 416. So 55 plus 416 481 minus 141, that is 340. 340. Sorry, 55 plus this one 11 471. So 471 minus 141, that is 330. 330 is the correct answer. Next question 46 to 50. Here we are having the residence in 4 societies A, B, C, D. So the residence is given here. So each single line is equal to 10. This is 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. Each line is equal to 10. A, this is 250. This is 350. 2008, 2018. 2008 is blue, 18 yellow. This is how much? 420. This will be 370. C, 300. This will be equal to 420. Then D, this is 400. This is 480. Now all of you open one 3-column table. See, A, B, C, D, E. Sorry, only D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. We are having 2 years. We are having only 2 years. one is 2008, one is 2018. The first value 250, 350, then B 420, 370, then C 300, 420, then D 400, 480. Now based on this we should answer the question. First one, what is the average number of residents of A in 2008, B 2018, C 2018, D 2008. See, we have to find all the values. First, A 2008. What is A 2008? 250. This is A 2008. B 2018. How much? 370. Then C 2018. How much? 420. Then D 2008, how much? 400. So 0, 14, 8, 9, 12, 14, 40. We have to find the average by 4. That is 360. 360 is the correct answer. 360 is the correct answer. Now see the next question. See the next question. Residence of B in 2008. B in 2008 is how much? 420. Is what percent more or less than average of D 2008 and 18? D 400 plus 480, 880. Average means 440. Now this is 440. 0, 0 cancel. 2 21s 22. 21 is how much less than 22? 1 by 22 into 100. 2 11s 250. So divide 50 with 11. 11 4s 44. So it is 4 6 by 11. 4 6 by 11 is the correct answer. Option 5. Next, which society shows the maximum increase in 2008 to 2018? So we are having increase in A and C, maximum increase. D we can't take, and B it is decrease, that also we can't take. It is 250 to 350, 100 increase. From where? 250 into 100. 55s, 52s, 5 1s, 520. A is having 40% increase. Then come to C. 300 is becoming 420, 120 increase. From where? 300 into 100. That is also 40% increase. So answer is both A and C. Next question. What is the ratio of all from 2008 to 2018? So 2008 you have to take the calculation. 2018 also we should take. First 2008, 250, 420, 300, then 400. So 0, 7, 13. 2018, 350, 370, 420, 480. 0, 22, 16. So 137 is to 162. 137 is to 162. Option 4. Next question. What is the difference between total number of residents of A and B 2018? A 2018 350, B 2018 370. 350 plus 370 720. Now C and D 2008, that is 300 plus 400 700. What is the difference? 20. 20 is the difference. See the next one. A shopkeeper sells 2 pens. He sold 1 pen at a profit, other pen at loss. SP of the 2 pens is 300 and the profit percentage on 1 pen is equal to loss percentage on other if overall loss is 6.25. So overall loss is 6.25 means what we have to take? We should take the root value, that is 25. So profit on 1 pen is 25, loss on 1 pen is also 25. Profit on first pen 25, loss on another pen is 25. Profit is equal to loss. Profit is equal to loss. 25% profit, 25% loss. Overall we will get 6.25. Now find the difference between cost price. So the selling price of each of the pens is 300. So 300 is the selling price of the first pen, and overall is getting 6.25% loss. 6.25% loss means 1 by 16, where 16 is the cost price, 1 is the loss. Then 15 parts equal to 300. This is selling price. 16 parts is equal to how much? 640. 15 parts is equal to 15 parts is equal to 600. 15 parts equal to 600 because each pen selling price 300, 2 pens. So 15 parts 600, 16 parts equal to 640. The cost price of both pens is 640. Both pens cost price 640. Now first pen he is selling at 25% profit. Second pen is selling at 25% loss. If it is sold at 25% loss, so if you take loss 25%, loss 25% means 3 by 4, where 3 is the selling price, that is 300, then 4 will be 400. So cost price of one pen is 400. Cost price of both pens 640. So what is the cost price of another pen? That is equal to 240. So cost price of first pen 400, cost price of second pen 240. What is the difference of the cost price of both the pens? That is 400 minus 240. How much? 160. 160 is the correct answer. 160. Here profit is equal to loss. So we have to find the square root of this. This is 25. So 25% profit, 25% loss. So cost price of one pen. So loss of 25% means 3 by 4, where 3 is the selling price, 4 is the cost price. 3 parts equal to 300. So selling price of each pen 300. 4 parts will be equal to 400. So one pen cost price 400, other pen cost price 240, difference 160. Next question. A man received 3,456 when he invested P at 12% for SI for 3 years. So 12% 3 years, that means 36% is equal to 3,446. Now 100% equal to how much? 100 by 36 into 3456. 12 3s, 12 2s 24, then 12 8s, then 12 8s, then 3 9s 27, 36. So 9,600. This is nothing but P value. Now P plus 4,400. So 9,600 plus 4,400, that is 14,000 at 15% compound interest for 2 years. So 14,000 into 32.25 by 100. So 0000 cancel. 140 into 32.25 means 32 1 by 4, that is 129 by 4, that is 35. So multiply 129 with 35. 5 9s 45, 14 6, 2 9s 3 9s 27, 8 3. So if you add both 5 11 15 4, 4,515 is the correct answer. Compound interest 4,515. Next question. The time taken by the boat to cover 162 kilometers each in downstream and upstream is 14 hours 24 minutes. So 24 minutes means 24 by 60 or 2 by 5. 14 2 by 5. 14 2 by 5 is 72 by 5. 162 kilometers downstream and upstream. So boat X, stream Y. What is given? 162 by, the stream speed is given as 6. So this is 6. 162 by x plus 6 plus 162 by x minus 6. The time taken by the boat to cover 162 downstream and 162 upstream is 14 2 by 5 hours, that is 72 by 5. Now if you take 162 as common, then it is x minus 6 plus x plus 6 by x square minus 36 is equal to 72 by 5. 18 9s, 18 4s. So here minus 6 cancel. So 2x by x square minus 36 into 9 is equal to 4 by 5. Here 4 1s, 4 2s. So we will get 45x is equal to 2x square minus 36, 2x square minus 72, 2x square minus 72, or else 2x square minus 45x minus 72 0. So what factors we can take? 72 into 2 144. We can take plus minus 48 plus 3. Minus 48 plus 3. There are answer 48 by 2, that is 24, and minus 3 by 2. Minus we should not take. So x value 24. So boat speed is 24. Boat speed 24. Stream speed 6. Then find the time taken by 240 upstream. So 240 by 24 minus 6, 18. Now 6 3 is 640. 40 by 3 will come. 40 by 3 is 13 1 by 3 hours. 40 by 3 is 13 1 by 3 hours. Option 5. Next question. 54 question. See the 54 question. C is 100% more efficient than B. A alone can do the work in 9 days. B and C will complete the same work in 2 by 3 days. Find what portion of the work is completed if A and B work together for 4 days. Now, C is 100% more efficient than B. So, B will be 1, C will be 2. Then, A alone will complete the work in 9 days. A alone will complete the work in 9 days. A alone will complete the work in 9 days. A alone 9 days he will take. B and C together. So B and C means 2 plus 1 3. They will take together 8 by 3. So 8 days. Total work is 8. Total work is 8. Total work is 8. B plus C means 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 8 by 3 8. Then C alone will complete the work in 9 days. So what is A alone will complete the work in 9 days. What is A efficiency? 8 by 9. So C efficiency 2, B efficiency 1, A efficiency 2 by 9. Find what portion of work is completed if A and B work for 4 days. A and B means 1 plus 8 by 9. 1 plus 8 by 9 means 17 by 9. They are working for 4 days. So how much work is completed? 68 by 9. 68 by 9 work is completed. What is the portion? So 68 by 9 is what part of 8? That we have to calculate. So if you do this, we will get 68 by 72. That means we will get 4 17s, 4 18. 17 by 18 work is completed. 17 by 18 work. Then see the next one. 55. The ratio of P 2 years ago to that of R 2 years hence is 1:2. Q present age is 25% more than P present age. Now take first of all P and Q. So Q present age is 25% more than P present age. Now 2 years ago P age. 2 years ago P age will be 4x minus 2. This is 2 years ago P age. Now 2 years ago P age and 2 years hence Q age will be 1:2. So R is R 2 years hence. R 2 years hence. P 2 years ago. P 2 years ago. So what is given in the question? P 2 years ago or 2 years hence. The ratio is given as 1:2. So P 2 years ago it is 4x minus 2. So R present age. First of all you calculate R present age. How to calculate R present age? 4x minus 2. Since R 2 years since it will be 2 parts, so into 2 minus 2. We have to take minus 2. Minus 2 because it is R 2 years since. If you want to calculate percentage, we should do minus 2. That will become 8x minus 6. 8x minus 6. This is R present age. This is P present age. The present age of P and R. So present age of P and R means 12x minus 6. 12x minus 6. The average is 39. So total will be 78. So 12x is equal to 84. X value 7. If x value is 7, find the difference between P 5 years hence. P present age 4x. That means 4 into 7, 28. 5 years hence P will be 33. P will be 33. R present age. What is R present age? 8x minus 6. That means 8 into 7 minus 6. That is R is 50. So the difference, what is the difference? 17. 17 years is the correct answer. 17 years is the correct answer. Next, quadratic equations. You have to solve x and y and you have to find the relation between x and y. See, this will be 11 and 13. You can take minus 13 plus 11. So minus 13 plus 11 minus 2. Answers plus 13 minus 11. Here it is plus or minus 13. So here 1 plus 1 minus. Here also 1 plus 1 minus. Therefore there is no relation. That is the correct answer. Next one, x square minus 7x minus 18 0, y square minus 19y plus 90 0. Here you can take minus 9 plus 2. The sum of minus 9 plus 2 minus 7. Product is 18. So answers minus 9 minus 2. Here we can take minus 10 minus 9. Answers 10 and 9. Here 9, here 9. Therefore x equal to y. And minus is always less than plus, x less than y. We can say x less than or equal to y. That is the correct answer. Next, 2x square plus 5x plus 3 0, y square plus 4y minus 12 0. Here the product of 3 and 2 6. You can take plus 3 plus 2. Plus 3 plus 2. Answers minus 3 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Now come to this one. Here we can take 6 minus 2. The sum is 4. The difference 6 and 2 difference 4. The product is minus 12. Answers minus 6 plus 2. Here see, minus 3 by 2 is less than plus 2. X less than y. Minus 1. Minus 1. It is greater than minus 6. X greater than y. Therefore there is no relation. There is no relation. Next, 9x plus 3y is equal to 15. 4x plus 5y is equal to 14. Now what we have to do? 9x. Now what we have to do? This one you have to multiply with 4. This one we have to multiply with 9. Therefore it becomes 36x plus 12y is equal to 60. 36x plus 45y is equal to 126. If we change the symbol, we will get minus 33y minus 6. Y value 2. So 9x, substitute here, y value 2 means 3y means 6. So 9x plus 6, 15. 9x is equal to 9. X value 1, y value 2. X is less than y. Next question. See the next question. 2x square minus x minus 1 0. 3y square minus 5 plus 2 0. Here what we can take? We can take minus 2 plus 1. Here if you see 3 into 2 6, we can take minus 3 minus 2. Here the answer will be 2 by 2, that is 1, and minus 1 by 2. Here we will get 1 and 2 by 3. See here 1 is greater than 2 by 3. 1 is greater than 2 by 3. X greater than y. Minus 1 by 2 is less than 1. X less than y. Therefore there is no relation. No relation can be established. Now what should find the wrong number in the given number series? Here we have to find the wrong number. See, 2, 3, 6, 15, 45, 156.5, 630. See here, into 1.5, into 2, into 2.5. One series we are following, into 3, into 3.5. 45 into 3 is 135. 45 into 0.5, 22.5. We will get 157.5, not 156.5. So this is the wrong number. Next, 36, 20, 12, 8, 6, 5.5, 4.5. See here, the difference is very less. You take only subtraction. 16, 8, 16 half 8, 8 half 4, 4 half 2, 2 half will be 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 6, not 5.5. So it should be 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 is the correct one. 5.5 is the wrong one. Then see the next question. 1, 3, 9, 31, 128, 651, 3913. So this is into 1 plus 2. This is into 2 plus 3. This is into 3 plus 4. So until here all are correct. Then into 4 plus 5. 31 into 4, 124. 124 plus 5 is 129, not 128. So 128 is the wrong one. See the next one. 2, 3, 10, 40, 172, 885. This is compulsory multiplication. Into 1 plus 1. Into 2 plus 2 square. That means here into 1 plus 1 square. Then into 3 plus 3 square. So 10 into 3, 30 plus 3 square should be 39, not 40. So 40 is the wrong number. 40 is the wrong number. See the next one. 5, 8, 16, 26, 50, 98, 194. So here also if you see, so if you see this one, it will be very easy. Into 2 minus 2. This is also into 2 minus 2. This is also into 2 minus 2. Into 2 minus 2. Then into 2 minus 2. 16 into 2, 32. Minus 2, 30. Not 26. So 16 into 2. So 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. See, 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. So 16 is wrong. 14 is correct. So 16 is the wrong number. Next, a rectangular path of width 3 meters is surrounding the garden whose length is 3 meters more than the width. If the cost of painting the path at the rate of 0.5 rupees per meter is 273, find the area of rectangle. First you have to find area of path. How to find area of path? See, area of path is area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Now the cost of painting the path is at the rate of half rupee is 273. So 1 meter square, 1 meter square is 0.5 rupees. Total rupees 273. So 273 by 0.5. That is nothing but 546. What is this 546? Area of path. 273 is the total cost. 0.5 per meter square. How many meter square are there? Means 273 by 0.5. That is 546. This is the area of the path. Now see, this one is the rectangle. This one more rectangle. Now what is given? A rectangular path of width 3 meters is surrounding. So this is all 3 meters. This is all 3 meters. Is surrounding the garden whose length is 3 meters more than the width. So this is x, means this will be x plus 3. Then this will be x plus 9. This will be x plus 3. This will be x plus 3. Sorry, this will be x plus 6. X plus 3 plus 3. So x plus 9. Here x plus 3 plus 3, x plus 6. Now x plus 9 of x plus 6 minus x of x plus 3 is given as 546. Now if you do the calculation, so see this one, x square plus 9x plus 16x, 15x plus 9 into 6, 54 minus x square minus 3x is equal to 546. X square minus x square cancel. 12x is equal to 546 minus 54. 546 minus 54 is 492. So x is 492 by 12. 12 fours to 12 ones. So x value 41. Find the area of garden. So x is 41 means x plus 3 will be 44. So area of the garden means 44 into 41. That is 44, 17. So we are going to get 481. 1804. 1804 is the correct answer. 2. Then in a class of students, percentage of students who passed the exam is 60. the number of girls who passed the boys, girls and passed who passed the exam is same. If boys who failed the exam are 200% more than the girls who failed, then find the percentage of girls who failed out of total students. Let total students is 100%. Who passed the exam? 60. So 60% pass. That means 40% is fail. 40% is fail. And the number of boys and girls who passed the exam same. That means out of this 60, 30 will be boys, 30 will be girls, because the girls and boys who passed the exam same. Boys who failed the exam are 200% more than girls. So girls who failed X, boys 200% more means 3x, total 4x. 4x is equal to total fail 40. X value is 10%. So find the percentage of girls. Girls percentage X, X is nothing but 10%. 3 is the correct answer. Next. A man invested X at 15% for 4 years. So 15% to 4 years means 60 and it is X. So 60x by 100 and 1.35x, 1.35x at 18% for 3 years, that is 54 by 100 is equal to the total interest received by them is 15,948. Now do the calculation all of you. Now 135 into 54 I am doing. See 4 5 20 14 15 25 17 6 0 9 12 7, it is 72.9 plus 60, that is 132.9x is equal to 15948 1594800. Now x is equal to 1594800 by 132.9 or else 1594800 by 1329. Now do the calculation. Now we have to do the calculation. Now I am dividing this 1594800 with 1329. First one time. 8 minus 2 6, 2658. Now 2 times 3 zeros, 12,000. We got how much? 12,000. Then find the value of 3.12x. 12,000 into 3.12. How to do the calculation? See 312 into 12. 12 2s 24. 12 1s 12. 14. 37. Again 3 zeros. Keep the point after 2 places. It is 37,440. 37,440. Option 5. Next. A man is covering 6 1/4 of the total distance via bus at 80, 25% via car at 120, 30% via bicycle at 32, remaining via train at 62, total distance 640. Total distance 640. 6 1/4 means 1/15 into 640. That is how much? 40. So 40 kilometers, bus 80 kilometers per hour. So this is the time taken. This is the time taken. 40 is the distance and 80 is the speed. Distance by speed is equal to time. Now 25% of the distance. What is 25% of 640? That is 160 at the rate of 120 kilometer per hour. So by 120. Now 30% of the distance. 30% of the distance means 30% of 640. What is 30% of 640? 192 by bicycle at 32 kilometer per hour. Now remaining distance. See 40 plus 60 100. 140 160 plus 40 200. 200 plus 192 392. So 640 minus 392. How much? 248. This remaining distance is covered by train at 62 kilometer. Now we have to find total time. If you do this, we will get total time. What we have done? This is distance, this is speed. Distance, speed, distance, speed, distance, speed. This is by bus, this is by car, this is by cycle, the rest by train. Now do the calculation. See, this is 1/2. This is 4/3. this one will be 6, this one will be 4. So 6 plus 4, first 10, 1 by 2 plus 4 by 3, LCM 6. So if LCM is 6, this is 3, this is 8, 11 by 6, 10, 11 by 6, 10, 11 by 6 is the correct answer, or else 71 by 6. 10, 11 by 6 is 71 by 6 hours. That is the correct answer. Next. The average weight of the class is 60 kgs and the average weight of the boys is 80 kgs. Ratio of boys and girls is 5:4. If there are 72, out of 72 boys and girls 5:4, that means 9. 45 will be boys, then this one will be 40 will be boys, there will be 40 boys and 32 girls. The average weight of the class is 60. The average weight of the class is 60. So 60 into 72, this is the total weight of all students, and the average weight of boys is 80. 40 into 80 is the weight of the boys. So that means 4,200, 4,060 into 72, 72 into 60, 4,320 minus 3,200. We will get 1120. 1120 is the total weight of all girls. How many girls are there? 32 girls are there. Now if you do the calculation, 16 twos, 16 sevens, that is 35. So 35 kgs is the average weight of all the girls. So option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3. So with this we completed paper number 237. So in the next class we will discuss paper number 238, that is tomorrow's exam.